I'm Britta with Bestop's marketing team. Today we're going to show you how to install the classic Supertop on a TJ Wrangler. The Supertop comes with all the hardware you need and all the fabric you need. If you want to find more about the Supertop, just go to bestop.com, but today we're going to show you how to install it. So the first thing you want to do when you start your installation is make sure you have all the pieces and all the hardware that you need. You also want to make sure you have all the tools. All you have to do is follow page 2 in your installation guide, and it's going to lay everything out for you. Here to help me today is Jose with our engineering department.
Hello.
The first thing we've done is lay all the fabric out in the sun. That's going to let it heat up and let us install it much easier. If you have stock door surrounds that you can see here, you have to take those off before you install your Supertop. There you go. Once that's done, you can get going. Step 1, install the windshield brackets.
Okay. First thing you want to do is remove the Torx head bolt that's right over here on the pillar.
So remove the bolt that's already there.
Right. Once that is removed, you want to put that bracket up in there. This bracket goes right behind this plastic piece right here, and you install the Torx head back in there.
So put the bolt that you took out back in.
Correct.
Step 2, install the windshield retainer. So while you're installing the windshield retainer, you want to make sure that it's pushed all the way forward. Sometimes when people install these, they pull it back a little bit, which is incorrect. Make sure it's pushed all the way to the front of the vehicle and then tighten down the bolts.
Here's a quick tip. Make sure that it is centered on your windshield. Makes it easier to install. When you're installing this J brackets right here, don't over tighten them.
Step 3, install the bow mount brackets.
On these bow brackets, the way you can tell if they're left-handed or right-handed, the opening, this opening right here will go to the inside. So you want to put them right directly above the holes. You've got your little plates. Got your tapping plates, which go right underneath the rail on the inside. And then you put your bolts on the outside.
It's good to note that these brackets may need to be adjusted after the top is installed. Step 4, install the tailgate retainers.
Okay, now I'm installing these brackets.
You may need to drill holes for this if you've never installed a soft top onto your Jeep before. Step 5, install the bow assemblies.
The way you can tell the left hand from the right hand is this bracket's got this ear. It's got to go to the back. This little
The clip here
goes to the inside. That's the way you can
inside.
tell the difference between left and right.
Step 6, assemble the bow halves. Step 7, install the vertical rod. Step 8, install the horizontal rod.
When installing the horizontal rod, make sure that the pin slips through the hole. And usually it's the first pin that goes right through it.
Step 9, install the top in the windshield retainer.
Okay. There's a center notch on the fabric, right on the right by the retainer, that'll actually tell you where the center's at. So you just center that right there.
You can apply pressure in the center to hold it in the same spot and then work your way out. Don't worry if it pops out a little bit, you can always go back and adjust it later. Step 10, snap the top to the rear bow.
I always start on the center with the snaps on the rear bow and work my way out.
Step 11, secure the rear corners of your top to the belt rails.
I always leave this air sticking out. I don't put it underneath the retainer next to where the rear glass goes, and you'll understand why later on.
Step 12, install the rear window. Step 13, install the tailgate bar.
Tailgate bar, make sure that you install it with the rubber facing you. Put it in place, okay.
Step 14, install the quarter windows. Step 15, adjust the bows. This is going to tighten up all the fabric on your soft top, which is a great feature of Bestop Supertop.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it up to the first hole and set it into place, and I'll do the same to the other side.
Step 16, secure the bottom of the quarter window into the belt rail.
Okay, next step is to put the retainers from the quarter windows into the belt line. Okay.
Step 17, secure the front of the quarter windows around the vertical rod. Step 18, secure the fabric above the door openings.
Just hook it to itself. Okay, just like that right there.
Step 19, do a final check and any adjustments that are needed.
Now we're going to walk around and make sure everything was installed properly. Make some adjustments if we have to make adjustments.
So Supertops can come with tinted or clear windows. You can get them without doors. You can get them with soft upper half doors. They're real quick to put on. All you have to do is line it up. Simple as that. One thing to note, the door is going to close on the outside of the soft top fabric. That is the correct way to have it line up.